Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fly a drone. Now, if you're new to drones or you just want a quick refresher, this video is for you. First thing you want to do before you even turn your drone on is check the weather. You don't want to be flying your drone in bad weather. It's not safe and it could cause you to lose your drone. If it's a day with a light wind, that's actually a perfect day to fly a drone. We'll go over all the basics in just a few minutes. You're going to want to have plenty of space in all directions because you never know where that drone is going to go. If you want to go up, press the one with the little plus sign. If you want to go down, press the one with the little minus sign. Now, if you want to move your camera up, down, left, or right, you're going to use these two buttons here. This one will move the camera up and down, and this one will move the camera left and right. You're also going to want to make sure there are no trees or other obstacles around the area you plan to fly. Taking off and landing are probably the two hardest things to learn when you're first starting out. So take your time and be patient with yourself. Okay, now of course, there's a lot more to drones, but that's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Most apps will have a button that says Take Off and another button that says Land. If you press these buttons, the drone will automatically perform the action. But I recommend just getting a feel for your drone and try taking off and landing without the app. You can still press these buttons if you need help. But the more you practice, the better you're going to get at it. A nice big open field is the best place to fly your drone. And hey, if you get some value out of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this in the future. Now, let's get into it. Next, you're going to want to find a nice open space to fly your drone. Next, we need to take our drone and follow the instructions in the manual to properly fold it and take off. Every drone is a little different, so you want to make sure you take the time to read the manual and do it correctly. The last thing you want to do is mess up your drone because you are in a hurry. Now that our drone is all set, we can move on to step 4, which is to download the app. Most drones come with an app that allows you to see what the drone sees. It also allows you to control the drone and change settings that you might want to adjust while you're reflying. In the app, you should see a button that says Pair. So go ahead and click that and follow the instructions. Every app is a little different, so yours may look different than mine, but you're basically just trying to connect your phone to the drone. Next, we need to turn on our drone. Now that the drone is turned on, we should see it on our app. Now we can take control of the drone. On the app, you should see 4 arrows. These arrows allow you to control the drone in any direction. Just tap the arrow you want to go and the drone will move in that direction. There's also usually a button to allow the drone to hover. If you press that button, the drone will stay in the air and maintain its current altitude and position. This is great if you just want to take a few seconds to enjoy the view. Or if you're trying to get the drone to stop moving so you can land it. If you want your drone to go up or down, you're going to use these 2 buttons. The next thing you're going to want to do is learn how to take off and land. And that's pretty much it. That's how to fly a drone.